Closest to Pluto and going out is Styx, Nix, Kerberos, and Hydra. And this morning we got the first really well-resolved images of Hydra, which is shown in front of you here at the native scale, 2 miles per pixel. This is about the same number of pixels across Hydra that we had across Pluto in mid-June. And so we're ecstatic about this. Prior to the New Horizons revealing of Hydra here, we were completely uncertain about how big Hydra was. It could have been anywhere from 20 miles across to almost 100 miles across. New Horizons has made it easy. Just count the number of pixels across. 28 by 19 miles. An elongated object. Hydra is not a planet. It's about 30% larger in one dimension than in the other. But there's some very interesting things about Hydra. You see some variations in the brightness across the surface. If we can go to the next slide. This shows, what we did here was actually subsample the image by a factor of 4 from the native, so it's 4 times subsampled to take away that pixelated look, and as well as overlaid contours showing the brightness changes, and we took cuts across to measure that's the approximate places where you have the longest dimension in the green and the shorter dimension in the yellow. The surface of Hydra is surprisingly large. It's about 45% reflectivity. So about 45% of the sunlight incident on it gets reflected away, and that can only mean that Hydra's surface is probably composed primarily of water ice. It's the only way to get it that bright. And that's cool. It's intermediate in brightness between Charon and Pluto. A nice thing about what we have coming up, actually, some more observations of Hydra, which will be even higher resolution, about a factor of 2 or 3 better. And so we're looking forward to those, but it's great. We've already seen Hydra revealed, and it looks very interesting.